Hey guys, Farmer Jeremiah here at Jocus Farm. I wanted to do a video on how we plant our cover crops this year, how I plan on doing it. So I'll show you how we do that. I'll kind of explain it right here by the mower. So I use my mower and try and scalp the yard or the field I'm trying to plant the cover crop with. And I just go down in steps. And as you can see, I have a disc harrow or a disc cutter or a disc plow, but what I use this for, it cuts little slits into the soil which will make great little pocket ditches for tiny seeds to get into, because we need soil to seed contact to have good germination rate, so that's what we're after. Okay, so now you can see how I've taken this grass down near the dirt. The patches I didn't cut are patches of wild aster that I didn't have time to transplant, but that's about to bloom, which is great for the bees and other pollinators, so that's why I let those grow. So this area right here, you can see in the dirt where that circle cutter is making ditches into the soil. So this is just one section that I'm doing. Here's the other section I'm doing. This used to be the cantaloupe field. We had a few coming in, but I cut them down because I need to get this area ready for the fall. There's a couple other areas I'm going to try and plant cover crop in, but right now they have crops in it. So I'm just doing a little bit of early crop. We might do another big cover crop area next month before we have a freeze, which is usually in late October. So here again, you can see where the circle cutter is making little indentions in the soil for us. And I got to come in here and rake this out, kind of dethatch the grass so the seeds will touch the soil. If the seeds do not touch the soil, they will not germinate. Right now I'm just preparing the seed with the inoculant. I followed the instructions and used the slurry method to just make up a mix of the inoculant and just kind of mix it in. This will be for the garden area, and this area, or this is going to be for the bigger area. I measured it out. I'm giving it a little bit less than what they're asking for. They want to do a 1.5 pound rate at 1,000 square feet, but I'm doing about maybe 1.25 pound per 1,000. So I'm gonna start getting the dethatcher put together, and hopefully I'll get this done before I have to go to work. Alright, so I've dethatched both areas 3 times and mowed over them 3 times. So it's getting a little redundant, and I think this is the best we're gonna get, because if I go any lower than this, the mower just gets really caught up. So I got the blue bowl for the smaller section of the garden here, and then the bigger bowl for the big section. I'm just gonna spread it all out by hand. So that's how you do it. I just kind of, get a handful of seed and just use the momentum of the seed to kind of get it to spread out on its own. But also, I had to steal some seed mix from the bigger patch to do the rest of the small patch. Couldn't really get the technique down till later on, so I used a lot of seed in areas. So we'll see how it comes in, and I plan on buying some more anyways. So any bare spots that come in, we'll just reseed. And now I'm gonna go over this with the tractor and trying to get the wheels to push the seed down into the dirt a little bit better, and then we'll just wait and let it grow. I put this fence in this morning so the chickens won't get in there and eat my cover crop seeds. So it's kind of temporary for right now, but I need to buy some more T-post. But thanks for watching. See you later.